Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new free assembly and scoop and Sophia Vergara. And if you like, first are these new pull-on skirts from Free Assembly. They have an elastic waistband. It's a nice kind of textured material. Has that fit and flare with button detail. And those are functioning buttons. Same fit through the back in the green and blue plaid. Also comes in the navy and white, and they're $28. Also new wrap skirt from Free Assembly. So this has a side buckle detail. It's wrapped from a textured, thicker material in the blue and white gingham, and they're going to be at $28. Also new fleece hoodie from Scoop. So this has that wrap front, the kangaroo pocket. It's a super soft fleece, ribbed wrist with the gathering, and then the hood in the back. And then right next to it is another new hoodie from Scoop. There's that scuba material, has that same detail, the banded wrist with the hood in the back. And they are going to be $32. Color in the sweater from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, the drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. I'm pretty sure these are on sale. So regularly going to be at $29. I think they're on sale for $21. Assembly, they have the crew neckline, ribbed side, the ribbed bottom, puff shoulder detail in the navy and white, also the red and navy, and these are going to be $22. Sweatpants from Scoop. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, they're wide leg with the raw hem. Inside it's a super soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. This is the sweatshirt to match. So these have the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, same soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. A new polo short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that ribbed neckline, this little shoulder detail, the ribbed sleeve, also the bottom, Henley style buttons. In the navy, they also have a crew neck style with the stripe, in the navy with the white. They're solid white. And short sleeves are $16, and then the little collared tops are $24. Also new wide leg cargo pants from Celebrity Pink. So these have the button zip, the front pocket, elastic through the back in the black. Also comes in the gray, and they're $20.50. Also new bodysuits from Celebrity Pink. So these has that square neckline, lace through the sleeve, and then the same through the back in the white. Also comes in the pink, and they're $14. New cardigan from Celebrity Pink. So this one has the V neckline, has these pearled buttons, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with that scallop trim, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $19.50. It also comes in pink with the same pearled button. Wash in the Gardner jeans. So a while back we saw this mid-tone. Now they have this dark indigo. These are high-rise. Two front pockets, also that side pocket, and the same fit through the back, and these are $20. New blazer from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, lapel, relaxed to the wrists, lined on the inside, and that's what it looks like in the back. Has that little seam detail. Sweaters from Free Assembly. It has this ribbed fold over top, and then the body is super soft, stretchy, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back in the gray. They also have the blue with the red, white, and blue stripe, and these are $19. So new turtleneck from Free Assembly. So we saw this red and blue. Now they have this navy and white stripe. It's a ribbed stretchy material, fold over, really nice length, and then the same fit through the back. Let's see a price. Also new bodysuits from Celebrity Pink. So these have that elastic with the ruffle, side seam, fitted through the wrist, soft like kind of pointel material with the hearts, and then the same fit through the back. In the red, also comes in the ivory, and they're $15. So new sneak peek faux fur shaggy coat from Scoop. So this one has the hook and eye closure, has that feathered look, relax through the wrist, that same kind of fit through the back, and they're $50. So having the men's these quilted barn style jacket. So these have the corduroy lining, relaxed, and then it also has the quilting inside. Has that same kind of corduroy trim. And then the same fit through the back. And then also, oops, from Free Assembly, they have this one. So it's a barn coat with the corduroy collar. It's a twill material, the corduroy trim. And then it has this flannel lining with the zip front. And then the seam in the back. So new Henley top from Scoop. So this has that rounded neckline, half button, that side seam with the banded the wrist, also the banded bottom, and that seam fit through the back. And they're $20. Those zip hoodies from Scoop. So this is that scuba material, has the drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist side pocket with the seaming. Comes in the gray, also in black. And what is this thing? Oh, from Scoop. Look at this coat. Has the oversized faux fur collar, double-breasted buttons, wool look, relaxed, completely lined. And then that length through the back. Also from Scoop, this pea coat, it's really nice, long, oversized, has the smaller collar, lapel, lined on the inside, relaxed through the wrists, and then that length through the back. Brought back these little teddy jackets from Free Assembly. So they have that crew neckline, the snap buttons, 2 pockets, the banded wrist boxy fit in the blue. New blazer style jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, a 2 flat pocket, oversized ribbed wrist, completely lined on the inside, and then that seam detail in the back. Free Assembly, they have a crew neckline, the little buttons with the medallion, it's their snap, completely lined. This is what the material looks like up close. Relaxed through the wrist. It is a shorter fit. This is the extra small, and then that seam kind of fit through the back. Ed sets from Free Assembly has the smaller collar, full button, 2 flat pockets, button detail on the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside, and then that seam fit through the back. Skirt has that little buckle detail with the wrap and the zipper in the back. Pretty is a sweater vest from Free Assembly. So it has that V neckline, sleeveless, little pearl and rhinestone detail. And then the seam fit through the back. Looks like there's only gray. New pieces from Scoop in the scuba material. So this has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, banded wrist with the banded bottom. This is the extra small. The wrist looks really small. So I think they have the sizes a little smaller. And then the pants are pull-on. They have that seam detailing, wide, flowy leg. So they have this new brown color, and then they also have both pieces in the black and this fuchsia's new. And then they also have them in the darker wash. And it looks like they restocked the front pocket jeans. So these are high-rise, wide through the leg. We saw this color, this mid-tone. Now they also have the dark indigo, and they're $26. This dress is almost identical to an ASTR, the label dress. That one is $138. This one's from Scoop. It has that mock neckline, sleeveless, ribbed, hatching material, fit and flare out, the nice like oversized skirt, and then the seam through the back. Comes in gray, which is the similar style. Also in this fuchsia. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, oversized gold buttons. How pretty is that detail with the front pockets? Relaxed through the wrists. Has that same print running through the back in the red and black. This one looks like it's a favorite. It's flying off the shelves, the white and blue. And print running through the back. Right underneath that new little tiered skirts from Scoop. So this is a thicker material. That's what it looks like up close. The double tier with the same fit through the back also has that smocking in the gold. It's almost like a green tone. Also in the black. That crew neckline, oversized puff sleeve, super soft stretchy sweater material with the rib bottom. That same fit through the back. Comes in the gray. They also have the white with the little sequins, sparkly gold. Underneath that, they have these new cable knit sweater pants from Free Assembly. So these are super soft and stretchy. They have that elastic waistband. Also has a functioning side pocket. It's a wide leg. And then that seam fit through the back. And then on this side, how pretty is this cardigan? with the skirt set. So it has the high neckline, really pretty medallion buttons, faux pockets, 2 functioning pockets at the bottom, relaxed wrist, that's shorter fit, comes in the green and navy, also in this red and blue. And then to match, they have the pull-on skirt. So it's pull-on, fit and flare in those same colors, the red and green. It's that same kind of sweater material. And then red and blue skirt. A new little fuzzy sweater from Free Assembly. So these have a high neckline, more of that boxy fit. Ribbed bottom, has that drop sleeve, and then the same kind of boxy fit through the back. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, has the rhinestone buttons. Look how pretty. Has the oversized kind of thicker sleeve, and then has the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. That's what the material looks like up close. In the pink, also comes in the black. New scoop barrel leg jeans. So these are high rise. They have the side pocket, the little flat pocket with the little toggle. So you could do straight leg or jogger. No pockets on the back. In the black, they also come in the green. The green color is a little bit thinner. It's more of like a twill material. And these are $28. Also new button-down shirt from Scoops. This is a lightweight material. Has the smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist with the gathering. Scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. So this is the new style in the black. Also in ivory. And these are $22. The style they had last year, it has like 2 pockets. I shared it in a haul. Those are on sale for like under $10. So I'll have those as linked as well. So many designers have this dark wash barrel leg jean. These are from Free Assembly. I saw they have cargo pony pant from Free Assembly. So these have an elastic waistband, the side pocket, flat pockets through the leg, and then the same fit through the back with no pockets. And they will be linked down below. New Henley top from Scoop. So this has that plunging V, the gold buttons. It's fitted through the wrist, super soft and stretchy. Comes in the ivory, also in the black. And they're $15. So new Scoop long sleeve tee. These have that crew neckline, super soft, stretchy, fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front and the back, but not cropped. And they're $9. Also new from Free Assembly are these little crochet paneled sweatshirts. So these have a crew neckline, this little crochet detailing, relaxed fit, has that ribbed bottom. That's what they look like on the inside. Ribbed wrists, little shoulder detail, also has the crochet going through the back. Comes in white, also in the navy, and they'll be linked down below. New short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the crew neckline, the ribbed side, ribbed bottom, in the blue. Also comes in red. There's pink and navy, and they're $16. New crew neck tees from Scoop. These are super soft, stretchy. They have this new color I saw somewhere when I was like looking for the trends, that they're calling this slime green, and that made me think of like Nickelodeon stuff, but this is like that slime green. They have that crew neckline. They're fitted, really soft and stretchy, and these are only $8. They also have neutrals. So notice they brought back the wide leg scuba pants from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have that pleating, flowy leg with the side pocket. In the gray, they also come in black. They're $24. I showed them, I guess, like a week or so ago in the barrel leg. So they have a lot to mix and match with this new sweatshirt. The sweatshirts are going to be, they're not priced yet. And then the barrel legs are $24. Barrel leg jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the pockets. They come in at the leg, the ankle, and then pockets on the back. They also have that same seam detailing through the back. And they are going to be no price, so they'll be linked. Maybe they had on the tag. No, they took it off. To match the rhinestone tops, they have the wide leg jeans. So these are high rise. Look how pretty the light blue little crystal is. Flowy through the leg. These look super oversized. And then the same fit through the back with the elastic. How cute are these multicolored striped sweaters from Free Assembly? So they have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, has the oversized ribbed wrists. How pretty is the detail? And then the same fit through the back. I like this one because it's not like too Christmassy with the red and green. They also have the blues in there. And then they also have a neutral white, gray, and black. So about midi and to maxi length, these are from Free Assembly. They have that same detail, oversized full skirt, and then the same fit through the back. I saw these online and I've had them on my mind, but these are on major sale. They have the square toe with that oversized bow, the thinner heel, and they have them in a few colors. I think they're under 15. Sneak peek shoes from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe, really cute little bow back with a stiletto. How adorable. I think I need these and they're going to be my favorite shoes for the holidays. And these are $36. New heels from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe. It's like this fuzzy look with this stiletto. I saw these online. I wasn't crazy about them, but then I saw on like the social media somebody out like wearing shoes like this, and they actually looked really cute on. And these are going to be $36. New heels from Scoop. So these have the pointed toe, the buckle with the ankle strap. Also has the zipper in the back, and they're $34. Also new from Scoop are these little like a grommet ballet flat. So these have the rounded toe, has a lot of coverage at the top, and then almost completely flat, and these are going to be $36. So a new boot from Scoop. So this one has the pointed toe fold over with that zipper detail. Also has the zipper on the inside. The quality on these is so nice, and they're $52. New shoes from Scoop. So they have this new boot, has a little bit of a square toe, that same detail, chunky heel, stretchy with the zipper on the inside, and these are $52. New flats from Scoop. These have that square toe, this elastic little sling back with the buckle. To price. And then right next to that, a new leopard boot. These have a little bit of a pointed toe, kitten heel, zipper on the inside, and they're $52. New flats from Scoop. So these have the rounded toe, this little Mary Jane buckle. It's open through the front, almost completely flat. So new studded boot from Scoop. These are almost completely flat. They have that square toe, that seam detail with the zipper on the back, and they're $52. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.